Hi, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make quinoa salad. So let's get started. This is the quinoa I am using. This is organic. I got it from Super King, but you can buy it from any other store. This is 1 cup of quinoa and now I am going to roast it. The stove is on, it's on medium, and now I am going to pour quinoa in the pan to roast it. The quinoa is roasted, it's turning brown, and now I am going to add 2 cups of water. The water is warm, so this is 1 cup and then 2 cups, and now I will let it stay for 5 minutes. I have already added 2 cups of water, and when the water is boiling I will turn off the gas and cover the pan and let it stay for 5 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, the water is boiling, and I'm going to turn off the gas now. Now I'm going to cover this and let it stay for 5 minutes. Quinoa is cooked now, it looks fluffy, and it took almost 15 minutes to get the water absorbed. So now I'm going to transfer it into the bowl to make the salad. To make quinoa salad, I am going to use 1 small onion, 1 medium tomato, 1 small cucumber, 2 cups of greens, and a few walnuts. So now I am going to mix all the vegetables in quinoa. So this is onion, tomato, cucumber, greens. So now I am going to mix it. I am mixing all the vegetables in quinoa really well. See, so now it's mixed. Salad is mixed now. I'm going to add black pepper and salt and half of lemon according to taste. So this is half a spoon of black pepper and little bit of salt, and I'm squeezing the lemon and mix it again. And at the end I'm going to add walnuts. Salad is ready. It's a great option for lunch or dinner. It's easy to make, and I hope you enjoy it.